Welcome. My name is Michael Nicholas. Over the coming year, I'll be undertaking something known as a Decan Walk. But before explaining what that is, it helps to understand a little about how astrologers think about the sky. The path the sun appears to travel during the year forms a great circle known as the zodiac. Astrologers divide that circle of 360 degrees into the 12 familiar zodiac signs of 30 degrees each, beginning with Aries and ending with Pisces. But the zodiac can also be divided more finely. Each sign contains 3 smaller sections of 10 degrees, called decans. Across the entire zodiac there are 36 decans. These divisions are very ancient. They appear in Egyptian star lore thousands of years ago, where they were used to track the passage of time during the night. Later, astrologers integrated the decans into zodiacal astrology itself, giving each decan symbolic images, planetary rulers, and layers of myth and meaning. As the sun moves through the zodiac each year, it enters a new decan roughly every 10 days. A Decan walk is simply the practice of following that movement across the entire cycle of 36 decans. Every 10 days the sun enters a new decan, bringing a slightly different symbolic atmosphere, a different tone in the sky. In this series, I'll be walking through those decans in real time over the course of the coming year. At the beginning of each period, I'll study some of the traditional material on the decans, including the work of astrologer Austin Coppock and the tarot scholar T. Susan Chang, and reflect on the tarot images associated with each decan. Then, over the following 10 days, I'll simply pay attention. What happens in the sky? What patterns appear in life? What themes seem to emerge during that period? When the sun moves into the next decan, I'll record a short reflection sharing what I observed during the previous 10 days. So this series isn't meant to be an authoritative interpretation of the decans. It's something closer to a year-long experiment in observation. A way of exploring what happens when ancient symbolic systems meet the unfolding reality of a particular astrological year. The sun never moves through the decans in isolation. Other planets will be moving, forming aspects, and shaping the atmosphere of each period. So what you'll see in these videos is simply my account of walking through the decans during the astrological year 2026 to 2027, one decan at a time.